Want to know how to make money online? Want a step-by-step instruction with all the links you need, and all the issues you may experience, and all the income you may generate in only a few minutes? Check our 5 ways to make money online in 2020. And what are your ways? Comment below. Of course, firstly, you need to buy one. If you regularly buy domain names but fail to use them, you can always try to sell them for profit. If you own a oneword.com domain, you'll have a better chance of selling. Words that have high search volume sell well too. Also, domains that are on trend at that moment have a better chance of selling. Just imagine if you had some domain related to health, viruses, or tracking the numbers of the pandemic just 1 year ago. You can search for available domain names and buy a custom domain through the Shopify domain registration platform. You can sell your domains on GoDaddy's domain auction. It'll help you know whether or not your domains are worth selling and how much money you can make selling them. If you are an expert on one subject, you can monetize your knowledge by creating courses online. You know well how to use Python, JavaScript, or some other programming language. You know how to design a website. Or you are a Photoshop expert and have always pranked your friends with some images. Or you know how to play some instrument, or how to sing, or you're an excellent painter. Use your knowledge, use whatever you know the best, and sell your course on Udemy. The best thing is that if you sell your course on Udemy, you don't have to do much to promote it. You can almost set it and forget it. Blogging is one of the oldest methods for making money online, but still one of the most interesting ones. For example, a blog about traveling, cars, literature, movies, toys, etc. is often a narrow enough focus, so you can build a loyal following, but big enough that you can cover a lot of ground. Let me tell you an example. You have traveled to a lot of countries and have a lot of pictures in your smartphone. Share your experience with the others on your blog. Add the pictures, and that's all. Or you are or have an inspiration to be an amateur writer of poetry. Do it. Use your blog to publish your pieces of art. You will enjoy, and your readers will enjoy too. Nothing more. You can start a blog on various platforms, from Shopify and Blogger to WordPress. There are several ways to make money blogging. You can add affiliate links in your posts. You can monetize with AdSense by placing ads on your website. You can also use it to build authority, so that you can eventually get speaking gigs, television deals, or big contracts from clients. According to Google Trends, dropshipping's popularity is rapidly growing, so this is one of the most popular ways to make money online. With success stories about how an entrepreneur made more than $6,000 in 8 weeks, or how a store owner made 6 figures selling just one product, there's plenty of proof that dropshipping is a real way to make money online. In case you don't know what dropshipping is a business model where you can sell a product to a customer, but the supplier stores packages, and ships the product to your customer on your behalf. You can use overall dropshipping, where you have access to millions of products that you can add to your store. You can focus on a few marketing strategies. The easiest way is to run Facebook or other social media ads, but you can also send direct messages to potential customers, again on social media. And if you want to know how to build your first dropshipping store, there is even free Dropshipping 101 course. Did you know that the highest paid YouTuber of 2018 is then 7-year-old Ryan, who reviews toys on his YouTube channel, which made him $22 million in 2018. The secret is to create content people want to see. You could decide to educate or entertain them, or both. The possibilities are infinite. Stream video games, review products, teach skills, create prank videos, film animals, sing, play the guitar, or anything else. Once you've reached the 1000 subscriber milestone, you can officially monetize your channel with YouTube ads. If you are dedicated enough. After that, only the sky is the limit. Something we learned from our YouTube channel experience. It needs time. You will feel discouraged countless number of times. You will think that the YouTube algorithm hates you. But please, don't give up. Always quality over quantity, and your work will eventually pay off. And now just like and subscribe, and maybe share your thoughts to get an access to all of the actual knowledge of this world.